Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Today I have a review for cast creations on these water decals. I start off with a peel of base coat from Barry M called Peel It. I'm now using Orly white tips. I apply 2 coats. I'm now using a polish from Primark called Holler and Glow in Baby Unicorn. It gives a little pink and blue shimmer to the nail. I now cut the decals as close as I can to the image. I place the decal in warm water for 20 seconds. I place the decal onto my stamper and remove the backing paper. Blot off any excess water. I now line up and place the decal onto my nail. I'm now using acetone to melt the decal to the edges of my nail and remove any excess. I finish off with a fast dry top coat from Seche Vite. I now add cuticle oil and massage it in.